Come on. Another day of school? Why, just why? Why do I have to go to school? It's a living hell, but I've got no choice. Man, I can't believe we have to do a math test today. We've done math a lot lately and I want to do something else, or I want to skip it.
I know, right? It sucks. I wish there was a way to skip the test.
Dora, you're a genius. I can do something to skip the math test. First of all, when we get into the classroom, after a few minutes I will ask Miss Martin if I can go to the bathroom, but if she keeps on saying no I will convince her until she says yes, and if that works, I will pull the fire alarm and then we don't have to do the test.
Sounds like an awesome idea. Let's do this. We gotta get to class though.
Hello class, today we will do a math test. I will give you guys the test.
Now's my chance. Miss Martin, can I go to the bathroom?
No, because I don't trust you. Last time I let you go to the bathroom you caused trouble instead. I ain't falling for that this time, Rosie.
Please, I really have to go. Do you want me to pee my pants?
Okay, fine, but you better not cause trouble, otherwise there will be consequences.
Okay. Okay, now's the right time to pull the fire alarm.
What the hell? Why is the fire alarm going off? Is this something urgent? Yeah, let's get out of here.
Calm down everybody. I was checking the security cameras and turns out it was a false alarm. A false alarm that Rosie made, of course.
What? No. It was Dora's idea.
What? No, it was your idea, Rosie.
It was yours.
No, it was yours.
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 It was yours.
I've had enough. And since you guys were arguing about whose idea it was, there is no valid evidence except that I caught Rosie pulling the fire alarm in the school corridor. Therefore, Rosie is the culprit here. And Rosie, you're a literal disgrace to this school. Every time you come here you have the audacity to cause trouble. I've had it. Sorry, but I have no choice but to expel you. That means you're going to a new school soon.
Wait, what about my friends?
Instead of seeing them here, maybe you can visit them sometime.
God damn it, Rosie. How could you pull the fire alarm at school to skip a test? You do realize that everyone thought there was a real fire, and also, you've been causing too much trouble to the point where you got expelled. What the hell is wrong with you? That was so uncalled for. And also, the reason why Daisy isn't here is because she's sleeping right now. And as a result for your BS that you did earlier, you are grounded for a month. Go upstairs, go to your room, and never come out until I say so. Oh, my God. Just shut up. You did this to yourself, so looks like you'll have to deal with it.